Hello everyone, welcome to React Learning Course. In this video I want to start React learning. So in this video I want to create a React component, and I will show to you how we can to create React component and how we can to render this component. So let's start. First here we have app.js file. App.js and app.jsx is same files. There is no difference between them because these are called JavaScript file. Also, React is a JavaScript library. We use in React app.js extension or JSX extension. There is no difference between them. I want to rename this to JSX like this. Okay, there is no difference between these files. So in this app.js file, we have one function components. In React, we have two types of components, functional component and class component. We will explain this in the later. Here we have one function component. Function is nothing but function is a component in which we use React's elements. So here we have one component by name f, and we have one return method. Also we have React's elements. React's elements looks like HTML, but this is not HTML elements. This is React's elements. So also we have two restricts in React. The first one is we use class name instead of class when we want to style something, and also we need to use one parent element, and we will use all more element inside of this element. Like we have one parent element div, and we will use all more element inside of this element. We cannot to create another element like this. I want to create one more div element like this, and we cannot do this because JSX expression must have one parent element. We can do use this element inside of this parent element like this. Okay, I want to write here second element like this. So this file I want to run this React application. Just write in CMD or click on the dot and select terminal and write here npm start. We will see now this header tags, and also we will see this div tag in browser. Like this. Okay, we have hello React in second element. So after this I will explain this some files. Like we have here one function, and also we have export default app. We exported this file and default keywords, and also we imported this app.js file and an index.js file. Okay, let's look here. Import app from app, and also we use this app component inside of render method because basics of our React element is index.js file. So if you want to create other components, we need to render other components inside of this root component and also inside of this root element. Like I want to create one basic component inside of source folder. I want to create another folder by name person, and inside of this folder I want to create one file person.js. Okay, here first we need to import React because we're using React. Import React from React. And also I want to create one function because function is a component, and I want to use arrow function. Const name for my function person equal to parentheses, after this equal sign greater than, and body. Here we should have a return method, and also we need to create one parent element because we cannot use elements in one by one, side by side, and React. We need to create one parent element, and we will create other element inside a parent element. Here I want to have one hello React. Here I have one headline, and also I want to create one paragraph like this. This is first paragraph like this, and save this file. Now we need to export this function or this component. We need to write here export default and person like this. And now we need to import this component inside of app.js file, because we need to use one parent component to import all other components inside of it. Here we need to import first, import person from dot slash person. There is no need to write .js file. So here we will use self-closing tag like person, and save this file and move to browser. We will see our output. Hello React, first header, headline, and also we have this paragraph. This is a first paragraph. So this was a simple and first component we created in React. By this way we can to create React component, and we can use React all element inside of this parent element. We will work smarter and harder in the next video. Thank you for watching.